Guys, welcome back to the vlog, Emma.
Thank you.
That's alright. Celebrate the coming back of Emma. Let's have a holiday in Bali. We're going to be here for 3 nights, I believe. We've just got in from a 6-hour flight from Brisbane and a 2 or maybe an hour and a half drive from the airport to here. Stunning and not that expensive, right?
That's what we like.
That's what we like. We've got a 2-story place. Let's show you a quick little tour and then we're going to order some dinner. We're going to eat in and have some sleep tonight. We're going to have an amazing day tomorrow. We've got so much stuff planned, I think. I don't remember. We'll give it a whirl. All right, now the tour. We have a bed. Couch for relaxing near the bed. But, what a view. Just, the farmers are going to see you bathing, so you might need to close the windows. As we know, she loves doors. We've been rubbing this one already. See upstairs, let's go downstairs. And that's the tour. So much space for just 2 people.
Beautiful.
Well, let's enjoy it. Maybe I'll put a little drone up.
Beautiful.
Upon arrival, we had a guy called Gus pick us up. I found him from Facebook. No, you got the hat, okay. And he came and picked us up. Got the frangipanis, went around our neck. Got a big bowl of fruit. Really nice guy,
Water, mints.
Water, we offered beer as well.
Air-conditioned car, smelt nice.
Yep, the car and him.
Yeah.
No, just really, really good. Like every time we come to Bali, we get a slightly different experience, and I feel like this time's the luxury experience, as you can tell from the villa. Welcome drinks. Oh, here you go. I didn't do any filming today except for this bit now because we're just tired. We only had like 6 hours sleep last night, so 12 hours tonight.
Time to pop out the contacts and pop to bed.
I guess there's something else there. Anyway, we'll catch you tomorrow, yeah?
Bye.
Goodbye. Good morning. Okay, she's not awake yet. Well, I'm awake, and welcome to day 1 in Bali. let's get out of bed now. We've already had breakfast. So we've already been out of bed, and we're back in bed again.
Holidays for.
It's what holidays are for. And so now we're going to, eventually, whenever it feels like it, because we're on a holiday, and then we'll go into town, go to Ubud Market, go to the Palace, and get a massage. Is that it?
That's it for today.
That's it. All right, so let's go explore the markets and the Palace in about however many hours it takes Emma to get out of bed. Okay, we've arrived in the centre of Ubud, or Ubud, however you say it. She's busy. So what's the secret to crossing roads in Southeast Asia?
Be predictable.
That's right. And I knew she was going to say that because she was predictable. Just keep walking straight line, same speed. Everyone just go around you. No stress. Okay, so that was the palace.
Yeah.
Not very big, but
No,
beautiful.
I had heard reports it wasn't going to be.
No,
That's okay.
I didn't hear any reports. I just followed you.
I did the research.
Yeah, she researched for once. Oh, we're gonna go check out the market now. So
Bring it on.
something to eat, something to drink.
Get your nose ready.
Get. Oh, you meant my nose.
Oh yes, get your nose ready for the best
Yeah.
deals.
Oh my gosh.
Sniff them out.
You're having dad jokes here. You're not even a mother.
Oh, dog.
Again with the dogs.
Every holiday. I like dogs.
She has to go touch the dog. Alright. Let's go to the market.
Come for a bag.
What kind of bag?
Round bag. Like that.
Oh, found it. Done. This day's over.
I don't want to ask.
too tall for these shops. It's a little bit confined. I found my spot with the fan.
Do you have one with a handle on it?
Butt scratcher.
Butt scratcher! Butt scratcher! Get your butt scratcher here! Butt scratcher!
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 No.
200.
People give me looks when I have my camera rig. Look at this guy. What are we doing? We'll have a walk back. Okay, let's take this GoPro Fusion 360 camera through the U-Bud market. So hot. I know deal well. Time for my fan dance. Is it lunchtime yet? Mess you created.
Oh no.
What are you doing? Baby, you need to stop.
Sorry. It's okay.
That's not your fault.
It's my fault. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll definitely buy a bag. Okay, I'm just gonna. Like that one.
Okay, so how much? Oh,
Sorry about the mess.
No problem.
she's found more stuff. Hey, wait, leave behind the mess. So we're now at lunch. We've just had lunch. Yeah, thank you very much. What a strange girl. We're going to get a massage now, and then we go back to the villa, relaxing time, because that was a stressful shopping experience. For me, Emma just destroyed the entire shop. We paid the same price we were going to pay in the first spot. Well, we weren't going to pay in the first spot, but we ended up paying it because someone destroyed the shop, so I had to pay it.
I didn't destroy the shop. Some of the bags just went all over the floor.
Got 80 of them.
We know I'm clumsy. This is no surprise. You shouldn't send me into a tiny little bag shop with all of these bags stacked
Tiny
around
little bag?
me. Bag shop
Oh,
with all of these bags stacked around me.
anyway, batteries are dying with this camera, so we'll see you back at the villa.
Bye.
Bye.